Hello, this is Chris Roshon, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm showcasing the new Kingston microSD cards, the Canvas Select Plus, the Canvas Go Plus, and the kit Canvas React Plus. So you get the card reader right there. These all have SD card kits that you can slip the microSD cards into. This one, first of all, is the slowest, but it's still whoppingly fast at 100 megabits a second, and you can see all the designations right here. That's important. And then we go to the next one, the Canvas Go Plus. It has 120 gigabytes of space. It has 170 megabits of speed. Has the A2 designation. That's important right there for micro SD cards. And the third one over is the fastest of the new trio, 128 gigabytes. Of course, all of these come in different sizes. This one has a whopping 285 megabit of speed. Has the V90 and A1 designations, so that's important right there. And these are all very fast micro SD cards. Thank you for checking this video out. This is Chris Roshon, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.